Okay, so Instagram just dropped a feature that might be a game changer. Why am I doing 6-7? You can now add a clickable reel and a clickable link onto your reels. And this is all done through the Edits app. Now, before you think that this is just another gimmick, let me explain why this is a game changer. I want you to think about Netflix for an example. You start a new series and then you end up binging all the episodes, and that's because of that next episode button. So now you can do that on Instagram by linking the next video of your series in that reel. Viewers can now watch one video and then go straight to the next one. You're basically why am I doing 6-7? Building a playlist of your own content for the viewer. And if you're running a personal account and a business account, you can now link services from your business onto your personal account and send them directly there, or vice versa. From your business account, you can now link the founder's page or even just other people's pages and work collectively together. No more link in bio or pushing people elsewhere. And I think that why this is going to be a significantly major game changer when it comes to for content creators is they can now be a lot more strategic in the way they make their content, because now they can actually say within their script, click here to see this, or click here if you want this solved. You get what I'm trying to say. Now, the second feature is putting a link that goes directly straight to your profile. Think of it like a interactive watermark. And the reason that's good is because that link now lives with that reel regardless of where that reel goes on social media. You never know who's resharing, you never know who's posting, you never know what country you're gonna go viral in or who's seeing it, but that link will stay with the reel, and it's a direct bridge straight to your profile. So I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. Let's go straight into the Edits app. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is open up the Edits app. We're gonna create a brand new file and we're going to go to gallery. I'm going to use this video just for an example. And the first thing you want to do is go to this button right here where it says links. You're going to click reels. Now you can choose whatever reel that you want to add. Let's just use this one for an example. I can now overlay this onto my reel itself. Now if we play it, that video is also going to play. It's not just going to be a static image. Okay, now I can also add in multiple, so I can do that same process again and add in, let's just say, somebody else's reel. It doesn't need to be your own reel. That's what's crucial about this. So now I can just add in somebody else's reel and put that in there. I can put them in at different times. The freedom is all up to you on this. You can also hypothetically make them bigger. Let's just say you're doing a reaction video and you're doing a reaction to somebody else's. You can make this big, and then now not only are you reacting to that video, the viewers can now click on it and you're giving the original creator their credit because it's sending them straight to them. So I think that's crucial. And let's just say that you want to put it at the end of the video because you're linking it into a series. Let's just say in the script, you say something like, click here for part, if you missed part 1, click here, and you can see it, you can have that video show up right there. And this is totally and fully clickable. Now, the next thing is if you click the button again and you go to accounts and you say, click somebody else's account, like say Naval, you can now put somebody else's account on yours. That could be, say, your business profile, and your business profile going back to you, so on and so forth. That is what I was talking about with the interactive watermark. And you can do yourself, obviously. You just put yourself, you put your own link. It could even be something along the lines of what we do on YouTube, like, share, subscribe, how that used to be. You can literally let people know, hey, click here and stay for more. Right? You can have, what's cool is you can have it playing or have it throughout the entire video. It's all about the way you edit it and the way you enter it. This could literally be on my profile the entire time. There you go. It's as simple as that. Open the Edits app, click the links button, add in your own reels, add in other people's reels, add in your own watermark, add in other people's, it doesn't matter. It's a huge feature. And here's actually a few examples of what other people have been doing with it. So I think it's super cool. All right, peace.